Mr. Ness here from World Famous Foods. Today we're doing a Smoky Cajun Chicken Spaghetti recipe. Let's cook. We're gonna season our chicken with, of course, Cajun seasoning. We only got the Slap Your Mama hot blend. And some smoked paprika. Season it up and let this marinate for probably about a half an hour. So we're cooking our spaghetti per package instructions as our chicken is marinating. Okay, now we're gonna cook our chicken. Gonna cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, we're gonna take out our chicken. All right, now time to make our sauce. Got our butter. Now garlic. Saute this for a couple of minutes. And add our chicken broth. Okay, now we're going to add our heavy cream. Some parmesan. Let this simmer for a couple of minutes. Okay, now we're going to add our spaghetti to this now. Alrighty, we're gonna add our chicken to this also. And some of these red pepper flakes. You know, World Famous Foods, we always gotta add a little bit of spice to stuff. So if your sauce was getting a little thin, you can add a little pasta water, but this sauce seems to be okay. Looking good, looking good. Let this cook for a couple minutes. All right, folks, look at this. See that? Better picture here. Okay, it's time to plate this. All right, folks, here's our Smoky Cajun Chicken with spaghetti. Look at this. All right, time to enjoy World Famous Foods.